We welcome you back to Nutrition and Dietetics 1, Part 1 of Lecture 2. We are continuing with minerals. We're going to be seeing minerals like potassium, chloride, sodium, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, zinc, iron, iodine, fluorine, copper, magnesium, selenium, and molybdenum. These minerals are required in small quantities. Minerals. Dietary minerals are the other chemical elements our body needs apart from carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. The term mineral refers to dietary ions. People whose intake of food is varied and well thought out will in most cases obtain all their minerals from what they eat. Minerals are often artificially added to some food to make up for potential dietary shortages and subsequent health problems. The best example of this iodized salt, iodine, is added to prevent iodine deficiency, which even today affects about 2 billion people and causes mental retardation and thyroid gland problems. Iodine deficiency remains a serious public health problem in over half the planet. About 4% of the body weight is made up of minerals. Experts say that 16 key minerals are essential for human biochemical processes by serving structural and functional roles as well as electrolytes. Potassium being the first mineral, we'll look at what potassium is all about. It's a systemic electrolyte essential in co-regulation, an important carrier of energy in cells in the body, also key in making RNA with sodium deficiency, hypokalemia, excess hyperkalemia can also profound affect the nervous system and heart. Chlorine, what it does: key for hydrochloric acid produced in the stomach, also important for cellular pump function. Deficiency, hypochloremia. In excess, we have hyperchloremia. Sodium is a systematic electrolyte and essential in regulating ATP with potassium. Its deficiency causes hyponatremia, and when taken in excess, it causes hypernatremia. The American Heart Association has advised that Americans of all ages, regardless of individual risk factor, can improve their heart health and reduce their risk of cardiovascular disease by restricting their daily consumption of sodium to less than 1,500 milligrams. Calcium. It's very important for muscles, heart, and digestive health. Builds bones, assists in the synthesis and function of blood cells. Its deficiency causes hypocalcemia, and in excess, it causes hypercalcemia. Phosphorus. It's a component of bones and energy processing. Deficiency causes hypophosphatemia, and when taken in excess, it causes hyperphosphatemia, often a result of kidney failure. Magnesium. It processes ATP and required for good bones. Its deficiency causes hypomagnesemia, and then when taken in excess, it causes hypermagnesemia with nausea, vomiting, impaired breathing, low blood pressure. Very rare and may occur if patient has renal problems. Zinc, which is the seventh mineral, is required by several enzymes. Its deficiency causes short stature, as dwarfism, and then in excess it suppresses copper and iron absorption. Iron is required for proteins and enzymes, especially hemoglobin. Its deficiency causes anemia. When taken in excess, it causes iron overload disorder. Iron deposit can form in organs, particularly the heart. Iodine is required for the biosynthesis of thyroxine, a form of thyroid hormone. Deficiency causes developmental delays, endemic goiter, and then in excess can affect functioning of thyroid gland. Fluorine. It prevents tooth decay. Deficiency causes dental deficiency. You have dental caries. And then in excess interferes with the absorption of other elements required for bone development. Copper. It's a component of many reduction and oxidation enzymes. Deficiency causes anemia or pancytopenia, and then in excess it can interfere with body formation of blood cellular components in severe cases, convulsions, palsy, and insensibility, and eventually death. Magnesium. It's a cofactor in enzyme functions. Its deficiency causes wobbliness, fainting, hearing loss, weak tendons and ligaments. Less commonly can be because of diabetes. When taken in excess, interferes with the absorption of dietary iron. Selenium, the cofactor essential to activity of antioxidant enzymes. Its deficiency causes Cachon disease, and when taken in excess, it causes garlic smelling breath, gastrointestinal disorders, hair loss, slugging of nails, fatigue, irritability, and neurological damage. Molybdenum. It's a vital part of three important enzyme systems: xanthine oxidase, aldehyde oxidase, and sulfide oxidase. It has a vital role in uric acid formation and iron utilization in carbohydrate metabolism and sulfide detoxification. Deficiency may affect metabolism and blood count, but as this deficiency is often alongside other mineral deficiencies such as copper, it has It is hard to say which one was the cause of the health problem. Excess causes very little data on toxicity. In excess, we see that there is very little data on toxicity, therefore excess is probably not an issue. Thanks for following us on. God bless you.